Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to service the Yamaha Xj6. So I've got the parts, I've got the filter and the oil, and let's just drain the oil and then change the oil. Let's go. So we do have one of the Allen keys, so let's remove the bottom pan. So the oil is now drained. I'm just going to put the bolt back. Alright, so I'm using this tool. This is a multi-tool to remove your oil filters. You can have adjustments here, here or here for bigger ones or smaller ones. So I'm just going to go to a very small one. I'm going to hold it vertically instead of horizontally, and let's see if it works. Alright. Bit of oil spill there. Got this new filter from Super Cheap Auto. And this one's so much easier. It has this thing at the back, so we can unscrew it using one of the sockets. Okay, new one goes in. Now we will tighten it from. So we have got ourselves this Penrite 10W40. I'm going to service it every 5,000 kilometers or even less, depends on how many months I've been using it for. If I use it for 6 months, I'll change it anyway. It doesn't matter how many kilometers, whether it's 5,000 or 3,000. About 2 liters gone in, so we're going to be very careful. We're only going to put like 1.5 liter. Just going to measure it again. Yeah, we need to put another 600 mils. I hope that's it. Yeah, sounds about right. Okay. Okay, let's just tighten it a bit. Alright, now putting back the bottom pan.